This is full automatic facial tissue machine production line. The finished facial tissue paper is with steel-to-steel embossing. Whole production line is full automatic operation, fully automatic embossing and folding, automatic log saw cutting machine and automatic 3-dimension packing machine, saving manpower and more efficient. Fujian Xinyuan Machinery Company is good at tissue paper converting machine manufacturer, can design all kinds of tissue paper converting machines according customers' request. Welcome to contact us at any time.